recently, in the political circles, there's been a lot of coalition where they are saying we have got only one enemy. So the best way to remove the current regime is that all those who are in opposition politics has to be united. And now you are coming in as an independent. Don't you think it is going to divide the vote?
If there is a coalition, I am interested in being part of it. But right now, with the political confusion that is in this country, I don't even see a coalition coming up. The political leaders of the opposition parties right now are too egocentric. They're not concerned about our country right now. It's all about which position am I going to be taking in the new government, or which position am I going to take in the coalition. Right now, we're not supposed to be focusing on power or where I'm supposed to be. We should be focusing on the passion to rebuild our country, even if you don't have an office. But unfortunately, everyone wants to be a president. And we cannot have a nation of 100 presidents. Now we've got about 90-something political parties. We cannot have a nation of presidents. Everyone has to plug in. Even when you're cooking, you've got the fire, you've got the stick, you've got the water, you've got the milli meal. Everyone has to plug in for the sake of rebuilding this country. We need to take off this ego jacket, selfishness and greed and all that, and start having this passion to rebuild our country, which is critical at this moment that we are in right now, at the stage that we are